Hello friend, welcome again your own channel Mind Thunder, and today video I am going to share you some important uh, tips about any Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung. If you are also thinking the pin pattern finger face lock in my phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video is very special for you, very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I am telling you just some simple step. Just you have to follow with me and you can remove the pin pattern sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. First, put your phone in flight mode. Make sure your phone must be in flight mode and your battery percentage is minimum 40 above 40%. So this is the main things. You have also to and minimum 50% charge, and that your phone does not turn off during this unlocking process. Let's get a start, and you can see the bottom of the mobile interface. You will be able to see the emergency call button. You have to press on it. After this, I am going to tell you master unlocking code, which we call master unlocking code in the matter of service center. Also, you can also note down it, or you can also take a screenshot of it. I am going to enter here this master unlocking code, and this is valid up to April 2023. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. If you want to note down, if you want to take note down, please note down. After that, after enter this code, please press call button minimum 3 times. You can see call field option pop-up message coming. You have to ignore this and erase this master locking code. After that, and this is very important code, this is master unlocking. This is also master unlocking code, and this code is star hash 899 at hash. Without this enter this code, we can't do anything about the phone unlocking process. Now you can see jail mode page is activated, and now there are so many options is coming. So first check your manual test, and second row device debugging page. Check proximity sensor test. There are three options is coming: proximity component test. This is working. This is synchronizing. We have to wait here 5 to 10 seconds. Get page, get PS far, get PS near, fail. You have to come back and press proximity calibration and confirm here. Again, we have to check sensor self test and calibration. Now you can see there are two options is coming. We have to press on both the option at the same time. Again, we have to apply until passed. One option is passed. Now we have to go with the last other option, and this is there are also 4 5 option is coming. So first we have to check rewrite important log test, confirm here. Now you can see wrong password is coming. Again we have to check manual test, and again we have to go with the last others option, and database version or mainboard version, whatever your mobile Android phone is. So press here 12 time, minimum 12 time we have to press here. And one thing, this is the most important thing. What I am telling in the code may support in many handset but may not support in many handset. If your this code is not supporting in your handset, please confirm in my comment section. Now it's done. After completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not, otherwise let's press the home button and see whether your phone is unlocked or not. So friend, as you can see, phone is unlocked without any loss of application or data. So I hope you guys you like this video. We will see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.